ladder so the roof hatch won't fly away when winds and whatnot come around. So yeah, this is gonna be lovely, guys. Just lovely. We'll make that long ass journey off of this roof, down that 20-foot extension aluminum, rickety, shaking ass aluminum ladder, down to the van and get back up here, guys. Let's get this going and get the hell off this roof. The top of the ladder. That does not look real inviting, does it, guys? Not at all. And one real quick HVAC tips now. Tip is, what's up, guys? It is July the 28th, Wednesday, and I'm on a repair call at a, I guess you could say a catering type event. And what we got going on here is already, right off the rip, this big area in here, okay, we have number 3, which is this thermostat, has got a bad compressor. It's had a bad compressor for over a year, so they've been limping it along with this other unit that serves this area in here, number 2. Now number 2 is not coming on. It is not cooling, so I have to go see what's going on with it, right? So here we go. Yeah, and this is our roof access. Don't look real inviting. Aluminum ladder. Yeah, buddy. The roof hatch is tied off to the top of the ladder, so the roof hatch won't fly away when winds and whatnot come around. So yeah, this is gonna be lovely, guys. Just lovely. Okay, let's get up there and see what's going on, guys. Okay, guys, we made it up the ladder. Got up here on the roof and got 4 condensers up here. Looks like unit number 1, which does the hallway, we've got a bad capacitor. Okay, y'all can see it's bumped up a bad 45.5 capacitor, and we also have a welded contactor. Let's see if I can get y'all in here where y'all can see. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's kind of hard to see, guys. But anyway, the contactor's welded. Got power coming into the contactor, no power coming out, and a bad capacitor. Alright, guys, let's go see if we got a contactor and a capacitor. We'll make that long ass journey off of this roof, down that 20-foot extension aluminum, rickety, shaking ass aluminum ladder, down to the van and get back up here, guys. Let's get this going and get the hell off this roof. I'm actually standing on the, I guess you'd call it the roof that's under the metal roof, which is this roof. Yeah. Yes, sir. At the top of the ladder. That does not look real inviting, does it, guys? Not at all. Whew. Okay, guys, back down at the van. Looked in my little tools, my parts, and I did locate contactor and a capacitor. So go back up there and get it on right. So back in here at the thermostat, they always get things screwed up at the shop, which makes things a lot more confusing for me as the tech that has to come out to try to solve a problem with multiple units. So of course I told y'all that this one's been broke for like a year. Number 3. Number 2 was supposed to not be working, and that was supposed to be the one I'm working on. No, that ain't the one I'm working on. It's running just fine up top. Okay, it is this thermostat, this unit, which is unit 1, is the one that has the bad contactor and the bad capacitor, which this thermostat controls and serves this hallway. Okay, it serves the hallway, guys. All of this up here and this big hallway is what it serves. Okay guys, I got the new capacitor on there, got it strapped in. We're only going to be using the Herm side, which is the compressor side, because obviously we've had a condensing fan motor that's been replaced before, so it's got its own capacitor. Next up is I'm going to have to change this contactor out, and that's what I'm going to replace it with. And one real quick HVAC tip is, look man, y'all see where I'm at. Y'all see I'm the only person here, right? Okay, I got it calling. It's still calling, so there's 24 volts on the coil of that contactor. If I ass around right over here where I got 24 volts on this side and 24 volts on this side and touch them wires together while I'm changing this contactor, well guess what? Then I'm going to blow a transformer in the air handler. So this is a heat pump. I'm going to show y'all how to do this. Y'all will run into this, I guarantee you. Okay, so to save yourself time from having to go down and find and locate the breaker or the disconnect to the air handler to cut that power off so you have no 24 volts calling up here, then you just go over here like this. See where your thermostat wires come in here? Alright, follow the wires. Where do they go? They go up to this plug here on the defrost board. Okay, all you have to do, let's see, get a little slack and pull those wires off. Now you've took voltage off of the coil, and now I've saved myself a lot of steps by taking this 24 volts off safely up here, so I won't stand the risk of shorting these wires out when I change the contactor. A little bit of work smarter, not harder. Oh, y'all take that home with you, okay? Put it up there in the middle banks. That'll help you out. All right, guys, let's get in here and change this contactor out. Okay guys, got the contactor in there. I'm gonna cut it on where we got to plug up our low voltage, right? Got to plug our low voltage back up. Alright, so here we go with our low voltage. Okay, got the low voltage plugged back up. It's in there good. And didn't blow nothing or nothing, because that lets us know, the contactor being pulled in, that we did a good job and we didn't blow a transformer trying to replace this contactor. So the contactor's been replaced, the capacitor's been replaced. We're gonna cut it on and see what that happens now. Just cut it back on at the disconnect. Okay, and fans running, compressors running. This is, well, you can see right there. It's pink. You know what it is, guys. It's 410A. Let's see, there it is. 410A. So we're gonna have to let this thing run for a little bit for it to build pressure up, to make sure we got an accurate pressure reading. And it's already starting to come back up now, slowly but surely. So I believe this one's in the bag, guys. Y'all like, subscribe, and comment for more awesome HVAC tips to make your job easier. Okay? Alright guys, y'all have a good evening.